15 American cars with the wildest paint jobs. Hey there, fellas. Welcome back to Auto Gems. Grab a coffee and let's roll into 15 American cars with the wildest paint jobs. Colorful tales that lit up the streets. Number 15, the 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. Picture a rebel in 70, cruising this plum-crazy purple beast, neon buzzing o' its curves at dusk. A 426 cubic inch Hemi V8 with 425 horses, closer to 450, hit 60 in 5.2 seconds, quarter mile in 13 seconds flat. Cost $4,500 then, now $130,000 mint. High-impact hues ruled, over 3,000 RTs built. Plum crazy, a rare scream. Dodge dared loud. This Challenger's tale of bold paint and brutal power still vibrates through every gear shift. Number 14, the 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge. Imagine a judge in '69, ditching robes for this carousel red goat, flooring it past shocked onlookers. A 400 cubic inch V8 with 366 horses, Ram Air 3 pumping, hit 60 in 5.9 seconds, quarter mile in 13.5 seconds sharp. Cost $3,300 then, now $70,000 clean. Orange Blaze Judge decals, 6,725 built, all eye-searing. Pontiac's wild child roared. Its story of courtroom flair and muscle grit glows bright in every burnout. Number 13, the 1971 Plymouth Cuda. Think of a surfer in 71, waxing this curious yellow drop top, waves crashing as he revs the beast. A 440 cubic inch V8 with 390 horses, six-pack optional, hit 60 in 5.4 seconds, quarter mile in 13.1 seconds flat. Cost $3,900 then, now $80,000 restored. Sunbright, just 374 convertibles, few in yellow. Mopar's flare dazzled. This Cuda's tale of beachside boldness shines with every sandy tire mark. Number 12, the 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Picture a racer in 70, rolling this grabber green pony to the strip, headlights bouncing o' its sheen. A 428 cubic inch V8 with 335 horses, dynoed near 400, hit 60 in 5.5 seconds, quarter mile in 13.2 seconds sharp. Cost $3,700 then, now $70,000 pristine. Neon green popped, over 40,000 Mach 1s, grabber a rare jolt. Ford's wild horse ran loud. This Mach 1 story glows in every smoky launch. Number 11, the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS/SS. Imagine a kid in 69 drooling over this hugger orange beauty parked outside the diner, chrome gleaming. A 396 cubic inch V8 with 375 horses, 60 in 5.9 seconds, quarter mile in 13.5 seconds, citrus punch. Cost $3,500 then, now $65,000 clean. Over 37,000 SS models. Hugger a standout star. Chevy's Camaro lit the block. This tale of loud color and power still revs up the past. Number 10, the 1970 Plymouth Superbird. Think of a gearhead in 70, grinning at this vitamin C orange wing, staging it under floodlights. A 426 cubic inch Hemi V8 with 425 horses, 60 in 5.2 seconds, quarter mile in 13 seconds dead on, bright as juice. Cost $4,300 then, now $150,000 rare. 1,935 built, NASCAR Aero, wild paint screamed speed. Mopar's bird soared, this Superbird's tale of flash and fury flew above the asphalt fray. Number 9, the 1968 Dodge Charger RT. Picture a biker in 68 trading his hog for this panther pink beast, rumbling through town at dusk. A 440 cubic inch V8 with 375 horses, 60 in 5.6 seconds, quarter mile in 13.3 seconds, pink with punch. Cost $3,800 then, now $90,000 restored. Only 211 got this hue. Dodge shocked the norm. Over 17,000 RTs built, this tale of gutsy color and growl needs every mile retold. Number 8. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Imagine a racer in 70, staging this Daytona yellow monster. Sun glinting its cowl hood. A 454 cubic inch V8 with 450 horses. 60 in 5.1 seconds. Quarter mile in 13 seconds flat, bright muscle king. Cost $4,100 then, now $120,000 pristine. Over 4,000 SS 454s, yellow a rare blaze. Chevy's Titan shone loud. This Chevelle story burned as vivid as its paint job. Number 7. The 1970 AMC Rebel machine. Think of a patriot in 70, saluting this red, white, and blue Rebel, flag waving as it rumbles past. A 390 cubic inch V8 with 340 horses, 60 in 6 seconds, quarter mile in 13.8 seconds, stars and stripes rolled. Cost $3,500 then, now $50,000 rare. 2,326 built. AMC's bold stroke popped loud. This machine's tale of pride and power waved high on every drag strip. Number 6. The 1971 Dodge Demon. Picture a teen in 71, cruising this Go Mango orange screamer, headlights cutting through dusk, tires chirping. A 340 cubic inch V8 with 275 horses, closer to 300 tuned, hit 60 in 6.2 seconds, quarter mile in 14 seconds sharp. Cost $2,900 then, now $45,000 restored. Over 10,000 built, high-impact hues like mango glowed. Dodge's compact devil dance, this demon's tale of zest and zip stole every glance. Hey, if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more content. We've got plenty more automotive treasures coming your way. Number 5. The 1969 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. Imagine a gearhead in 69, rolling this competition orange cat to a cruise-in, jaws dropping. A 428 cubic inch V8 with 335 horses. Super Cobra Jet. Hit 60 in 5.8 seconds, quarter mile in 13.3 seconds flat. Cost $3,600 then, now $60,000 clean. Just 2,250 built, orange a rare claw. Mercury's sleeper pounced. This cougar's tale of wild hue and horsepower prowls strong. Number 4, the 1970 Buick GSX. Think of a Buick fan in 70, grinning as this Apollo white or Saturn yellow beast peels out, spoiler gleaming. A 455 cubic inch V8 with 360 horses, closer to 410, hit 60 in 5.2 seconds, quarter mile in 13 seconds dead. Cost $4,000 then, now 90 grand rare, only 678 built, loud paint, big grunt. Buick's wild child roared. This GSX's story of flash and fury lit up the streets. Number 3, the 1970 Oldsmobile 442 W30. Picture a racer in 70 staging this Viking blue rocket, hood scoop trembling under throttle. A 455 cubic inch V8 with 370 horses, closer to 400, hit 60 in 5.3 seconds, quarter mile in 13 seconds flat. Cost $3,700 then, now $65,000 pristine. Over 3,442 S's, W30 Blue, a rare wave. Old's quiet killer shone. This tale of cool color and hot power deserves every lap. Number 2, the 1969 Ford Falcon Cobra Jet. Imagine a drag king in 69, rolling this candy apple red sleeper to the line, crowd underestimating it. A 428 cubic inch V8 with 335 horses, near 400, hit 60 in 5.9 seconds, quarter mile in 13.3 seconds sharp. Cost $3,600 then, now $60,000 restored. Fewer than 500 got the Cobra Jet, red popped loud. Ford's compact crushed. This Falcon's tale of stealth and shine flew fast. Number 1, the 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Think of a kid in 70. Jaw dropped as this in-violet purple bird beeps by, cartoon loud and proud. A 440 cubic inch V8 with 390 horses, 6-pack option, hit 60 in 5.4 seconds, quarter mile in 13.1 seconds flat. Cost $3,800 then, now $70,000 mint. Over 13,000 built, in violet, a rare blast. Plymouth's Wild Runner ruled. This Roadrunner's tale of color and chaos reigns supreme. That's your 15, fellas. Wildest paint jobs with tales to tell. Which one's your favorite splash? Drop it in the comments. Ever see one glow in the wild? Hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Gems, and ring the bell for more automotive gold. Keep the rubber side down.